Hello people, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to make bleach. We are going to use 3 ingredients only. We have number 1 here, this is caustic. We have number 2 here, this is chlorine. And number 3, this is magadi. We are going to use them as they are numbered. We're going to start with number 1. This is a 5-liter bleach. So we are going to use number 1. We mix it with water. After it's dissolved, we add number 2. After dissolving, we add number 3. It's that simple. Then after that, now we keep it for 4 days, starting every day. Let's get started.
The sun is always shining. A bite of the apple found in Eden. Oh, man is never sleeping. Are you up for the good life? For a sweet stimulation, this is your station. Better than the country, welcome to the city. But the girls are pretty and the boys are
Get
cute.
the number
If
2.
you want a lover,
That
you
is
will find plenty. And they do it all, but they
chlorine.
don't say I love you.
And then we start.
Get your sexy on, get your sexy on, get your sexy on.
Welcome to the city, it's a turn on. Get it all, get it baby, but don't say I love you. Welcome to the city, welcome to the city. If you ain't found your thing yet, I got the address.